Hello, my name is Kafridikis. This is Lab4 for microprocessors. I'm going to go ahead and start my program. Those will be the three LEDs that we're using. Right now, port 2.0 is the read/rotate mode, and right now it's on read mode because it's at logic 0. And these three switches right here correspond with the three lights here, and they are attached to 2.3, 2.4, and 2.5. So 2.3 will turn off this first one. 2.4 will turn on the one to the next to it, and then so on with the last one. You can turn all of them off at once. And you can do any combination you really want. And then that's the reading mode. And as for the rotate mode, once we turn this to logic 1 or high, the lights will start rotating to the left because our switch at port 2.1 is at low, and on the lab it said when it's low it should be rotating to the left. So we'll go ahead and turn this on, and it is rotating to the left. Once we turn this one to high, or to 1, it should start rotating to the right. And it did just that. And we could turn it off, and it'll start rotating the other way. Now, the switch on port 2.2 is a fast, slow speed mode. On logic 0, this is the fast mode. And once I turn it to logic 1, the pattern will begin to be slower. And you can see there's a clear difference there. And then this also works with the switch. Now it's going the other way. And now it returned to the left. And now I turned it back off, so it should be faster. And these have no effect on the rotate mode. These ones that previously did the read mode. And a cool little thing we can do, we can turn off 2 of the lights, and then we can turn it on, and then we just have one light doing the whole spiel for you. And you can do 2 lights separately and have them dance out like that. Make them go the other way. Make them go slower, faster. And yep. And in the preceding part, I will show you the code that I made. Okay, this is a continuation of Microprocessor Lab 4 for Kafridikis. We were given all this code up here, so there's not much to go over. The main part that we worked on was this rotation mode. We have R5_SW set to pin 2 in, and here we are saying at bit 0, which is the switch on our switch thing all the way to the right. That one is 0, and then to the left is 1, 2, all the way to bit 7. At bit 0, we're going to follow these commands. And then at bit, so if this is low, we are going to be able to do this, the read mode. If it's high, then we're going to have to do this rotation. And that's what happened when we turned the 0-bit one on and off. It would start rotating to the left or to the right. But if it's high, then we're going to go into the rotation mode. And in here, we are focusing on the bit 1, which is the switch left to bit 0, which was at the very right side of the switchboard. This code right here is telling us that we're going to rotate to the left when this bit 1 is high. So when this bit 1 is high, we're going to rotate to the left. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is actually going to rotate it to the right. I thought something was funky. And this is going to rotate it to the left. So when it's high, it's going to rotate to the right, and when it's low, it's going to rotate it to the left. And we saw how that worked in the previous part of the video. And then down here, this controls how fast it goes, and that was on the third switch that we were using. This one makes it go a bit faster, so this is kind of the default one. So when it is low, this is what happens, and when it is high, this is what happens. And let me just double check real quick, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Yeah, when it's active high, then it's going to be slow, and then when it's low, it's going to be fast. So kind of inverse if you think of it that way. And this code was given us too. This helps with the toggle pattern, so that we are able to go from rotate left to rotate right. And this masks any excessive bits, and this displays the output. And this is just a reference. But that's basically it. Thank you.